Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming power and signal. This is where most fixes happen fast. First, unplug and replug the power and video cables. Make sure connectors click. Once done, swap the HDMI or display port cable for one you know works and try a different input on the monitor. This tells you if the cable, port, or source is at fault. If you have a spare PC or laptop, connect it now to isolate whether the issue is the monitor or the video source. Once connections are verified, you move into Settings and Software. Reset the monitor to factory defaults from its on-screen menu to remove any misapplied color presets. Then, on your computer, update or reinstall the graphics driver. Outdated or corrupt drivers can send a bad signal that produces a green tint. Make sure the output resolution and refresh rate match the monitor's specs, and check color profile and cable adapter types. Mismatches here often. For the final steps, inspect hardware more closely. Power off and look for bent pins, loose connectors, or visible damage. If you're comfortable and the monitor is out of warranty, open the case to look for bulging capacitors. These cause color faults. Try another GPU output or a powered signal adapter to confirm whether the monitor or graphics card is failing. If none of this fixes it, gather model and serial numbers and contact manufacturer support or a repair shop. One key troubleshooting tip: document exactly what you tested to speed up service.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.